Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to replace a kitchen faucet, and the reason we're replacing this today is down here on the side the hard water basically came through the metal and it was spraying everywhere. Okay, our replacement is a Moen Adler number 87202 SRS. We purchased this with our own money. We got it at Home Depot, and it is in spot resistant stainless finish. All right, looks like we're just going to use minimal tools today. Everything else is pretty quick. Let's get started. All right, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to shut off the water supply. All right, once the water supply is off, let's kind of purge the lines. All right, water supply is pretty much purged. Let's go to the next step. All right, let's start loosening the water lines. And of course, they don't make this so comfortable to get in here. So if you hear me moaning and groaning, you'll understand why. All right, we got everything pretty cleaned up down here. Now we're gonna tackle that basically secures the faucet. All right, welcome back. Well, to get a little more access to where I needed to go, what I did is I removed the garbage disposal. It clears up a lot of room, and this way you can fit yourself in there, reach where you need to. All right, looks like we can pull this right out of here. Get those water lines a little pressed in. And we should just get it right out. Old faucet removed. Now it's time to check out the new one and install. Just going to install this nut that secures the faucet. Just snug that. Does it move anything up there? Try moving the yeah, hold on. Okay. All right, we put the sprayer on. We got the faucet centered and tightened down nicely. Now let's go down and hook up the water lines. Hey, make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you're getting good content out of this video. We sure do appreciate it. And the first thing we're going to do is hook up this hot water. One thing you got to make sure of with these threads, do not cross thread them. All right, everything's all buttoned up, plugged in the correct way, and you can see how I put those tubes out of the way. Now we're going to do the moment of truth. That's the pretty much last step. We are going to open the water valves.